Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to style small hairs with a simple trick. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. So as you can see right over here, I have this mannequin head. It's not an official mannequin head, it's just like a small plasticky one, vinyl, I don't know. It's one that I use for video tutorials because I don't have any hair. I am bald. So I have this person over here, and when I first got, I asked my kids to name her, and they actually named her Sandra. So say hello to Sandra. She is one of my closest friends. She's actually my only assistant in filming videos. Anyways, all jokes aside, obviously there's not any small hairs on her because this is all, it's not real. But in real life, there are small hairs that grow, and I have 4 kids. So I have a son and 3 daughters. So even though I don't have any hair, I know from them that obviously you get like these baby hairs. So this is how to style those baby hairs and those small hairs. Essentially, what you want to do is you want to start off by putting them in place with some water. So get a little bit of water on your fingers and put that water on those small hairs. So let's say this was the baby hair over here. It's kind of hard to see, but let's say this is the baby hair over here. I would put some water on those strands of hair that are the baby hairs, or however many there are, 1 or more, and then I would put them in place, okay? And then you want to use hairspray or gel to keep them in place. So once you get them in place, you want to get a little bit of hairspray and just a little spray or a little bit of gel, put a little bit of gel on them to keep them in place. Now, where do you put them? What is a simple trick? Well, you put them along the hairline. So you can style them like on your cheek. That's totally fine too, but most likely you probably want to hide them and disguise them with the rest of your hair. So you put them along the hairline. So let's say this was the baby hairs. I would take them and I would use gel and hairspray along with water at the beginning to just place them like this, right along the hairline. So take them and place them right along your hairline with the other hair, okay? They don't have to go back, because then if you put them back, they're gonna pop up. To the side, they're gonna pop up. Right along the hairline, they'll stay in place. So you just place them right along the hairline. So essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna take those hairs, those small hairs, those baby hairs, and you're gonna place them along the hairline to disguise them and to style them properly. Now, I don't want to say properly, but to style them in the way that I'm assuming you want to style them like that. So place those baby hairs or the small hairs along the hairline. And the way that you get them to stay in place is by using a little bit of water to get them in place, and then a little bit of gel or hairspray to keep them in place. So that's simple. The baby hairs or the small hairs get placed along the hairline. Okay, that's how I'm assuming you're going to style them, and you get them there by using a little bit of water to get them there, and you keep them there by using a little bit of gel or hairspray to keep them there. It's literally that simple. You can also use mousse, but it's just generally like not one of the things I mentioned. I would stick to gel or hairspray. Kind of works better for this specific scenario. And that is basically it. That is how to style small hairs with a very, very simple trick, an easy tutorial. I truly hope that you enjoyed it. And I actually have nothing else to say for this video, so we're going to officially roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.